Joe from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Ford Focus here on a 2014 plate. I'm just going to show you how to reset the service light on this. Now on the display there, right there, you can see it says engine oil change due, which means you need to get the oil change pretty soon. So all you got to do is make sure you got your lights off and switch the ignition off. What you need to do is, when you switch the ignition on, immediately after switching the ignition on, press and hold the brake pedal, and then immediately after that press and hold the accelerator together for 25 seconds. Once that's done, and the service will be resetted. So if I just switch the ignition on, press and hold the brake and the accelerator, wait 25 seconds, as you can see right there, I think 10 seconds gone in, maybe another 15 seconds there. That's it. Service oil reset complete. So you let go of the brake pedal and the accelerator, switch the ignition off, take the keys out, switch the ignition back on. So it says oil reset complete. So now you won't get the oil warning light come on. So that's all you got to do on this particular model. There is a playlist for a Ford Focus. If you do really, not Ford Focus, but for Ford, if you want to have a look at other stuff like light bulb and, you know, brake light bulb and stuff like that need replacing, you know, you can check the videos in there. Also, we have a service reset playlist as well. And yeah, that's all done. Don't